Hello friends, welcome back to lmsle.com. In today's video, we will see about a Moodle plugin which is named as Open Forum. The Open Forum plugin is maintained by the Open LMS team and it allows you to have a responsive and a modern forum in the Moodle course. Essentially, it is adding the functionality on top of the core Moodle forums activity, and I will just show you how and what are the features in this Open Forum plugin and how you can use it. So you can download this plugin from the link given in the description section below, and after installing this plugin, all you need to do is go to the course wherein you would like to add this Open Forum activity, and let me see that I would like to add it here. Now after going to the course page, you need to turn on the editing mode here and go to the section wherein you would like to add the activity. Now click on this add an activity or resource button and choose the Open Forum activity. Now you can see that the interface here is almost similar to what is there for the forum activity. So you need to give a forum name. So I will give it a name as Open Forum Testing. You can also put in the description for this forum activity here. Now you can see that this checkbox is additional for this activity, which says that you can display the recent posts on the course page. I will show you by keeping this as checked how it will display the recent posts on the course page. You can also uncheck this to disable that feature. If you expand this post options, you will see additional features which are provided by this plugin and which are really interesting and exciting features. You can see that here you are getting the options as the normal forums in Moodle course, so I will just leave it to your discretion, like whatever you would like to use. Under this post options, you can see the first option as allow marking as substantive. So basically, if you click on this help icon, you will see that if enabled, this feature allows the instructors to flag posts that have a substantive value. So you can put in some additional grades for this specific forum posts. You can also allow the posts to be bookmarked by the students, or by the next option, you can allow them to send a private reply to specific forum posts. So basically it will not create a public forum post. The individual user can respond back to the topic creator that I feel that you have made a mistake, or some sort of that kind of private reply, which can be later corrected or viewed by the topic creator. You can also allow students to post anonymously on these forums, and the last option is to display the word count. So you can also enable the option to display the word counts mentioned in the forum posts. So let me say that I would like to give all of these options to my students, and rest all features are the same as we have in the standard Moodle forums. Now whenever you are done with all these things, just click on this save and display button here. So as of now, you cannot see any difference between the open forums and the Moodle forums. Now here comes the interesting part. You can see that there is a new button named as view posters. So I will just click on this to show that there is nothing for the time being, because we do not have anything in the forum. Now I will go back to the forum and click on this add a new discussion. So let me say that first post, and I will copy the same thing here. So you can browse the file and attach them here, or you can see that this option is to reveal yourself in this post. It means that as of now I am posting as a guest anonymous user, and if I will check this, then it will reveal my identity to the forum users. So I will just click on this submit button here. So you can see that there is a first post, and I will go back to the course page to show you that how this latest features or latest posts are appearing on the course page. So you can see that here recent forum posts are appearing here on the course page. And if I will go back to this forum once more, and now I will show you about this view posters tab. So you can see that which user has created how many posts and how many replies and how many of them are substantive. So this is how you can use this Open Forum plugin, and it is responsive in nature, so it will save you a lot of space, as well as it will improvise the user experience for the students on your Moodle site. So this is how you can use this Open Forum plugin. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as press the bell icon. It will really help me to create more engaging content for you in the near future. Thank you.